This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Hello, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you here on this Tuesday, a treacherous Tuesday for traveling around the Great Lakes region near blizzard conditions. We had about 3 to 6 inches of snow come through with a clipper system during the overnight and early morning hours, and now lake effect snow showers are still persisting. And because of the cold temperatures and the gusty winds, we've got near whiteout conditions in some of our rural areas because of the blowing and drifting snow. And the winds will begin to diminish later this evening and overnight tonight, so that will improve conditions at least for our Wednesday morning commute. And we've got another round of even colder air on the horizon as we close out the week. Today, we're looking at those wind chills or feels like readings staying sub-zero. And in fact, overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, wind chills will be as cold as almost 10 to 15 below zero in parts of West Michigan. Wind chills stay sub-zero during the majority of the day tomorrow. And then we'll actually see wind chills drop down into the double digits below zero again early Thursday morning before finally starting to improve Thursday afternoon. But we've got another round of Arctic air on the way late Thursday night into early Friday. In fact, by Friday morning, we'll see some air temperatures as cold as almost 10 below zero. This afternoon, again, those snow showers continue, and with the intensity of the winds, those snow bands do come inland, but by about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening, we'll start to see the final stages of this particular weather event come through, and then we will see the potential for some scattered lake effect snow showers along the lakeshore during the course of the day later tomorrow into tomorrow night and early Thursday. And then that next round of even colder Arctic air will be arriving as we head through the early part of the day on Friday. And finally, we'll start to see conditions begin to improve as we close out the weekend and head into early next week. But again, the future cast with the snow, several more inches of snow, and with the gusty winds blowing and drifting will continue to create those very difficult travel conditions. The rest of that 7-day forecast shows the very cold air in place through the end of the week. Temperatures start to moderate over the weekend, mid-20s for highs by Monday, but the 8 to 14-day outlook takes us through that second week of February with the warm air staying in place across the central and western United States, and temperatures colder than average from the Great Lakes to the Gulf Coast and eastern part of the United States, and that's going to bring several more rounds of snow our way between now and the middle of that second week of February. And of course, we'll be tracking it for you at fox17online.com.